Today I'm going to be sharing 7 remote job opportunity that you can do right from your home, wherever you find yourself. You can be on the couch and literally be doing these jobs. And I've actually made my research and I've been able to, compile a couple of remote jobs that you can do. You might be a single mom, you can be a student, you can be anybody. So far you have an internet and you have a smartphone or a laptop, a PC, okay? With these tools, you should be able to, bag a little or a few dollars from this remote jobs, okay? So now I'm going to be talking about 7, like I said, and if you're seeing this face for the first time, please do not forget to help this channel by subscribing, liking this video, and also commenting which of the jobs you wish to venture into at the end of this video. All right, I'm going to be posting a video talking and analyzing about what I've just said or what I just want to teach you guys, and make sure that you stay to the end of this video and come back for more videos like this. All right, without any further ado, let's get straight into the video. So now, the first job I'm going to be talking about is mainly based on people that like to give their opinion about things and people that like to give their own reasons when it comes to issues. Probably there are issues arising and you're that special advisor to a friend, and they always call you that, okay, I'm having these issues, I want you to think about it, what do you think about what is going on, and you're problem solver when it comes to issues. Then I think this job is for you. The name of the job or the site is called eJury. You can literally just venture into eJury. You can just fill up some forms, and you can also use this website called Online Verdict. Okay, these are sites that are literally going to pay you for your own opinion. They're going to pay you for your own additional thoughts about a particular case, and these people are actually lawyers. They just need your opinion on the kind of case they're working with, and literally they do not need any of your background check. They do not need any they don't need anything from you. They just need your opinion and what you think about the case. Okay, so if you're that kind of person, then you can check Online Verdict or you can check eJury. Okay, so now for the next one, which I'm going to be talking about, is you're somebody or you're the kind of person that likes to scroll online, go on YouTube, go on Facebook, go on Instagram and scroll, and this social media kind of person that most of the time you're always on social media. Then I think this job is for you, or this remote job is for you. All right, it's called a social media evaluator. All right, these are jobs that you can do from anywhere in the world. You can do it from your couch. You can be a single mom, you can be a married woman, you can be anybody for you to do that kind of job, for you to bag that kind of job. Okay, they do not need any resume from you, they don't need any certificate from you, they don't need any form of interview. You're not going to do any interview, and these jobs are online, which means you can literally just do it from the comfort of your home. Okay, that's why it's called remote jobs. All right, you can do it from your phone. If you have a PC, you can do it on your PC. These jobs are super simple, they're super easy to do. All right, and for that, I'm going to be giving you a couple of sites where you're going to get or find such jobs, such as Appen. Appen is a website that pays you for going online and giving your opinion about certain things, commenting, responding to people's comments, liking videos, and sharing of videos. If you're that kind of person that is so sociable, you can do all those kind of things, then this job or this website is for you. Okay, you can check out this website at the end of this video and make your more research about it. But with what I found, these are websites that I know that you can pay you for just scrolling online and giving your comments and giving your opinion and liking their videos, and also just doing basic social media skills. Okay, so now without any further ado, I'm going to move to the next one, which is, before I forget, the first one I gave to you, which was eJury and Verdicts and Online Verdicts, they actually pay you, or they're capable of paying you $5 to $50 or $5 to $60 per job or per case that you help or you assist in. Okay, and the next one, which I spoke about, Appen pays you literally $10 to $30 per task that you do. Okay, this is something I should have included from the beginning, but I'm sorry. But these are the pays that they are going to give to you when you finish a task. Okay, so the third one I'm going to be talking about is, if you're this kind of person that likes to correct people when it comes to grammatical error, when it comes to you're very good, you're very sound when it comes to English, you're very good and sound when it comes to communicating in English, and you're the kind of person that can spot any error from anywhere, even from right from the person talking. You could have spotted like a couple of errors from what I'm saying. But if you're this kind of person, then I mean, this job is for you, because what they need you to do is to analyze, is to proofread every of their documents. You have to proofread, you have to analyze, you have to correct the mistakes, you have to correct any error from the documents. Okay, if this video or if this kind of job is something that you can do, then I will consider you look into these websites like Grammarly or proofreading services. Grammarly, actually, it's an English app or website that helps people to correct their English, helps people to proofread their sentences and their books and everything. It's basically all around proofreading and making sure that you have or you write correct English and people are able to understand what you said. Okay, so now with that, I think they should be able to pay you from, or you should be able to earn from $13 to $30 per task, or per documents, or per task, like, basically. So you should be able to earn from $13 to $30 per task. All right, and like I said, if you're that kind of person, then I think you should venture into Grammarly or proofreading services. Okay, that brings me to my fourth point, or my fourth kind of job, which is, if you're this kind of person that likes to start up conversation, you're a sociable person, you're someone that you can easily interact, you can easily socialize with people, and you like to talk, not like too much, but if you like to talk and you like to meet people and converse with people, then I think this job is for you, because this job actually has to do with you talking to people online. There are a lot of people that do not basically know English, but you are there to help them master English. You're there to help them to brush up their English language, English speaking, and everything. And this is a job that everybody would love to do, because most people speak English, and it's easier for us to correct people and teach people how to speak English. It's basically just being like an English tutor online. Okay, this job is like that. All right, if you're this kind of person that likes to connect with people and like to start up conversation, you're very sociable, you're interactive, and you're this kind of person that like to start up conversation, and you're outspoken, you're also sociable, then I think this job is for you, because they need people that can help people to start you know basically just teach people on how to do certain things when it comes to English and the rest. And also, you can also get jobs like commenting on posts, you can also get jobs like sharing, you can also get jobs like liking videos and the rest. Then I think this job is for you, because that is one thing a lot of people look for. And here is the job opportunity. Okay, you can find jobs like that on Fiverr, you can find jobs like that on Upwork, and basically these are job sites that you can get such jobs from. Okay, so like I said, these people pay from, I think, around $10 to $25 per hour, and I think it should be something that you should want to venture into as a part-time job, or a job that a side hustle kind of thing. So that brings me to my fifth point, which is, if you're this kind of person that loves pets, you're this kind of person that like to take care of pets, and like to take care of pets, and a lot about pets, then this job is for you, because these people are seeking for people that know a lot about pets and can teach them what to do. Probably they have an aggressive dog, they have a kind of cat that does crazy things, and they need advice from you. Then this job is for you. If you know much about pets, then you can advise them on what to do when it comes to taming their pets, when it comes to advising them on what to do. Maybe probably their pet is going through some kind of crazy thing and they do not know what to do. Then they can literally just reach out to you and you can advise them on what to do. So probably ease the pain or ease the everything, whatever is happening to the pets. Okay, if you're that kind of person, then I think this job is for you. And you can find such jobs on Just Answer online. Just type justanswer.com and you can find a job, or you can bag a job like that on the website. All right, you're just going to be giving your honest opinion and your honest review of what they've sent to you and how you can solve the problem they have with their pets. Okay, if this job is a job that you can do and you love pets, then I think it's something you should venture into. All right, that takes me to my next point, which is, if you have a good voice, if you know how to sing well, if you have a wonderful voice, then I think this job is for you. And this kind of job is something that a lot of people that have good voices usually do, and it's actually like a voiceover kind of job. Okay, you can actually just sign up and just fill up some forms, send a couple of audio to make sure that they know that you're capable of doing that job. And I mean, you can bank or you can bag a job from them. You can become a voiceover artist for them, and they can use your voice for voiceovers. These are things that a lot of sites take people voice from. They take people voices from these sites and pay them literally for using their voice to make videos. So if you have a very nice voice, then I think this should be for you. I'm going to be talking about the last one, which is, if you're this kind of person that likes to speak, you're outspoken, like I said, you're very calm, you're collective, and you know how to speak good English, basically. You know how to speak English, you know how to speak good English, and I think this job's for you. Okay, so this kind of job is a job for people that understand English and can teach people English. You're very outspoken, you know how to speak good English, then I think you can be like an English tutor for non-native people out there. Then you can actually just help them brush their English speaking, their English language. You can teach them some basic things when it comes to English. When it comes to understanding English, these are things that you can teach them, and these are things they want, and they can literally pay you for it. Okay, so if you're this kind of person that you can become an English tutor, then I think this job is for you. All right, you can find such jobs on Palfish. You can find such jobs on Cambly. You can find Cambly, like Cambly. You can find such jobs there. You can find such jobs like that in Palmfish. You can find such jobs in Palmfish, and there are jobs like that on those sites that can literally pay you for becoming an English tutor to non-indigenous and non-native people. And you know from that you can basically bag at least, let's say, $10 to $15 per hour, with your teaching skills and everything. It depends on how good you are when it comes to teaching. Okay, so now I think these are jobs that you can venture into, as probably you might be a student, you might be a full-time wife, you can be a single mom, you can be married, you can be anybody, for you to venture into these kind of jobs. And out of all the jobs I've listed, if you found a job that literally you can just venture into, then make sure you drop it in the comment section, and let's see what's up and how it goes from there. All right, this is Femi Creative Lab, and if you see me for the very first time, please do not forget to help this channel grow, because I literally post videos like this when it comes to teaching, when it comes to everything that has to do with understanding and making money online. Then this channel is for you. Okay, and please help this channel grow by subscribing, hitting that like button, and also sharing to a friend of yours, to a family member, and let's see and I'll see you guys at the top. All right. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.